Hello, leadership students. I'm checking in with you to see how everybody's doing. I hope you're keeping safe and warm and staying out of the weather we have going on outside. Just want to make sure everybody's on task with the schedule and you know what's going on and what's due and all that. You should have taken your syllabus quiz and posted your intro on the intro discussion board last week. This week we're doing replies on the discussion board. Please note that with discussion boards, you make your original post one week and your replies in the following week. I do not hold you accountable for replying to people who made their original post late, if that makes sense. So what that means is once the deadline ends for the original posts, you can make your replies anytime that following week. So if you want to do them right away on Monday and be done, you can do that. Okay, if someone makes their original post late, they will lose points for posting late, but you won't lose points for not replying to them. And I do this because it's not fair to students to have to keep checking back for additional posts. Okay, if you happen to be in the discussion board and you see a post from somebody, it's a nice thing to do to reply to it, but you don't have to if they posted late, if that makes sense. Now you have an assignment coming up called Checkpoint 1, which is a short written essay, and I will get the instructions posted for that just as soon as possible. You will need to have done the readings in the textbook and in Into Thin Air to complete that assignment. So this week, where you don't have a whole lot to do assignment-wise, I really recommend that you get started on that reading. Even if you get ahead on the reading, that would be great. In an online class, we have to kind of rally around the textbook to make sure that everybody's getting the same information. Okay, now I do post video lectures to elaborate on some of the textbook material and to give you examples and things like that, but it doesn't take the place of the reading. So try to plug away at that reading as much as you can and take some good notes so that when exams come around, you'll have your reading behind you, you'll have some good notes to refer to, and you won't be at a disadvantage. So now it's early in the semester, it's a good time to think about those things. Okay, I've also had a request from some of you that I post the instructions for the leadership interview paper that is due toward the end of the term. I will get that up as soon as I can as well, but just be aware you're not anywhere near ready to write that paper yet. Writing that paper is going to require you to apply concepts that you're learning throughout the semester. So while I do encourage you to get started thinking about it early, start thinking about a leader that you might want to have a discussion with, and maybe ask that person if they would be willing to talk to you for this class project. It's still just a tad too early to get started on that yet, but I will get those instructions posted just as soon as I can. Okay, so please contact me if you have any questions or concerns. This online format can be a little impersonal, but I don't want it to be. So I am here for you. I am your teacher. I am your question answerer and your mentor in this experience. So please contact me if you need anything, and we'll talk again very soon. Okay? Bye.